It's going to continue to move north pretty slowly over the next 24 to 36 hours and then make that westward turn. So it has already started to show signs of weakening. The shape is more asymmetric and the eye has started to fill in. It is still expected to pass dangerously close to the islands as a hurricane on Friday, and the most uncertainty still lies within that weakening trend and the turn that it does take.
Shelter in place as the first option. If you feel that you're not in a safe place, then seek shelter in one of the many emergency shelters that have been open.
This is yet another example of all hands on deck. And we have the federal, state, all of the counties here to make sure that we are protecting the health, safety, and welfare of all of our people, including, by the way, some close to 300,000 tourists who are in the state right now.
This is to encourage all people who want to move while they can. Lane, while it's been downgraded, is wide and very moist. And it's going to hang around for a while as it moves because it's moving slowly. And that's why we are taking so much precaution here.
We've pre-deployed both personnel and commodities to all the islands, commodities such as generators, food and water, those types of things that are already pre-staged. And we will work with the locals through the state to help get those resources out there when and if needed.